Hello and welcome to our video on 5 ways to make money with a ChatGPT, the ultimate guide. In this video, we explore the different ways you can use a ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, to make money. First, let us define what a ChatGPT is. A ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It is often used to create chatbots that can have conversations with users. Now let us talk about the 5 ways you can make money with a ChatGPT. 1. Offer chat-based customer service or help. Many companies use chatbots to handle customer inquiries and requests. You could use a ChatGPT to create custom chatbots for businesses or offer your services as a chatbot operator. 2. Create and sell chatbot services. If you have the skills to create custom chatbots, you could create and sell chatbot services for businesses or individuals who want to automate their messaging or customer service. 3. Use a ChatGPT to create content for social media or marketing. ChatGPTs can be used to create text for social media posts, emails, or other marketing materials. If you have a knack for writing, you can offer your services as a ChatGPT-powered copywriter. 4. Create and sell chatbot applications based on ChatGPT. There are endless possibilities for chatbot applications, from voice translation to virtual companionship. If you have a great idea for a chatbot application, you could develop it and sell it to users. 5. Offer ChatGPT training or consulting services. As ChatGPTs become more common, there will be a growing demand for experts who can teach others how to use them. If you have expertise in ChatGPTs, you could offer training or consulting services for those who want to learn more. Before we conclude, you should note that using a ChatGPT ethically and responsibly is key to success in all of these endeavors. It's also worth thinking about whether your use of a ChatGPT complies with relevant laws and regulations. This concludes our video on 5 ways to make money with a ChatGPT, the ultimate guide. We hope you found this information useful and that it provided you with some ideas on how to use a ChatGPT to generate income. Thank you for watching the video.